Hi guys. Well, I made a video a while back and it was installation of our IKEA cabinets and a makeshift countertop. Well, we've been living with that countertop for about a year and a half now, and it's finally came time to put our permanent countertop in. We've decided on a butcher block, and we've got a new sink, new faucet, and we're doing away with our gas oven range, and we're putting in an induction two-burner cooktop. So I'm going to show you where we're at and some of the abuse that this kitchen has taken a year and a half in bus life, but I'll show you some photos and some video. So what we've got here is the countertop. For a year and a half for a piece of plywood, it didn't do too bad. What I had initially done was I sealed it so that water wouldn't damage it, but you know, just over a year and a half. It wasn't meant for this, and some of it has, it was a layered plywood, so some of it has peeled off and just looks unsightly, and it's time for our permanent countertop. We also, this was a used sink that I got out of another RV. It serviced well, no problems. The faucet also came out of an RV, but as you can tell, it barely turns and there's no handle. The handle fell off a long time ago, kept falling off, couldn't get it to stay on, so you have to kind of use your thumb to turn this on. That's going to, that's being replaced with a gooseneck, and it should be pretty nice with an extendo spray nozzle, the whole 9 yards. And then from there is our oven, which we've never used, and our, which is rusted. The top, stainless steel top is rusted, and then the gas burner stove, which is all stained and just cruddy. So what we're going to go with is an induction two-burner cooktop, flush mount, so it'll be real nice. And then we're going to do some type of backsplash back there. I have a few ideas, but that's going to be a surprise. And also where this oven is, we have already purchased a while back an additional drawer to go in its place, and then a faux drawer because you need some height for the or some clearance for the induction cooktop. So it'll be a whole nother drawer. That'll be nice, and well, we'll go from there. All right, guys. Here we are. I've got the countertops in and oiled. We got the new sink in, new faucet, and our induction cooktop. I do have the backsplash back here, or backer board, whatever you want to call it. I still have to oil that and put that in. We've got another drawer, this larger drawer on the bottom. I moved the smaller one up, and so now we've got two drawers there, which is great. We had planned in advance for that. We bought those the last time we were buying IKEA, which I think was like Portland or something like that. And next on the agenda is to get that backer board up, or this backsplash board, I don't know what you call that. Get that in, and then I have a backsplash that's going to fill in the rest of that back wall there. And then we're going to be changing out those outlets as well. All right, guys, there it is. I have got the backsplash in. I think it looks amazing. It really fits in good with our decor, I believe. So that's it. I need to put another coat of oil on the butcher block. I also have to do the that backboard. Get that done. I have silicone in between the backsplash and that backboard, so I don't want to disturb that until it dries. And then some new outlets and covers, and we'll be in great shape. Nice deep sink. So that's that.